Visit us at Eduvo. Thank you for calling Eduvo.
Now let's move further. Below in here we will say edit, and we're gonna show some text message. Okay, whenever all of the talks will be uploaded, so we will show some text. So in here we will say Flutter toast. We don't see the suggestion yet. There we go. Flutter toast dot show toast, and it's going to take the message in here, semicolon, take this down. Now let's have the message, and right in the message we will say something like the task has been successfully, or just write the upload, it's fine. All good, semicolon. Now we will have the toast length, and toast length we will go with the length long. Okay, and right after let's set the background color for that. So colors we will go with the gray, and right after let's set the font size 18.0. okay, in here comma, all fine. So whenever all of the talks will be uploaded, all of the data, then we will show that message. Okay, and all of their design, length long, and gray color, font size will be 18. Now let's move further. Right down below, whenever this message will be shown, that one, right after in here we will simply set the job title controller dot clear. We will clear that, and also we will clear the job description. So in here we'll say dot clear, all fine. And now right in the set state, that is down. In here we will set the job category controller dot tags. In this we will just assign the choose job category. Fine. In here semicolon, and right after we'll also set the deadline that controller dot tags, in which we will assign the choose job deadline date, all just fine. So now let's move further, and in here catch error, we're gonna, and right inside that, if there will be any kind of error, first we will set the set state. Okay, curly braces, semicolon right at end, and tag this down. You will simply set the is loading to false, and then right in here we will say global method dot show error dialog. It is going to take the error, and in here we will say dot to string. We will convert it to string, and then it's going to take the context. There we go, this suggestion right at end. In here semicolon. So if there will be any kind of error, if it's catched, then in here right in the start, first we set the is loading to false, and then we show that show error dialog. Now right down in here we will say finally. Okay, and curly braces, yank this down, and we will simply copy that state, copy it and paste it right down in there. Let's set it to false, and also right in here in else we will just print the message, and it's gonna be that it's not valid. So all just fine, and you guys can see that. Now simply what we will do, we will copy that method name, and let's go and call upon that, writing the on-press event right for the post now button. There we go with the post now tags, and above that there we go with the on-press event right in here. Call upon it and write it and semicolon. So all fine. So now we will simply just hot reload the app. Click in here. This will take some time, just wait for a while. So there we go. Now we will go towards the upload job screen. Right in here we will fill all the fields in here, and we will upload the data to the Firebase. Now we will simply go and select a job category from here. I'll go with the business, and now we will give the job title. I'll say we got IT business manager, and write in the description, let's say need an manager for a IT business. I think that's fine. You can give whatever you want right in here, and now we will simply just select the deadline date for the job. I'll go to 25, click OK. Now we will simply click on this post now, and it will simply upload the data to the Firebase. So now click on it. As you guys can see, the circular progress indicator. So it's uploading the data. The task has been uploaded successfully. Okay, as you guys can see the result. Now simply open the browser and we will check the data right in the Firebase. So here we go with the Firebase iJob clone app. Now I'll go in the build, and let's go to where is the Firestore database. Click on it, database. We will check it right in here. So there we go with the result. Right in the collection we got this job that we created right in the code, as I told you before, and right in the document, as you guys can see that specific document for that current user who is online. Okay, there we go with the job ID, and there we go with the email share 365 for applicants created at deadline date, as you guys can see right in here that I choose before the 25th, and also you can see everything right in here, deadline date stamp, okay, timestamp, everything right in here. Your category was business, and there is no comment yet, so it's empty for now. Later on, right in the future videos, we will work on that and I'll show you the result then, but for now we just added job comment right in here, and also the document right in here as I told before. So everything just right in here, and it's working totally fine. And guys, one more thing right in here, as you guys can see the name and the user image and also the location. For now we set this to empty string. Let me also show you that right in the Android Studio. So right in here, if we go above, right to the method upload docs. Right in here, as you guys can see, we set the name to a string variable by name, and also the user image to the user image, and the location to the location. Okay, and if you go back to the global variables, in here, as you guys can see, we have already set this name to the empty string, and also the user image to the empty string, and also the location. So that's why right in the Firebase, in here for now it's empty string. But whenever we will complete the job screen right in the future videos, then we will set this name, location, and the user image right after that. Then we will be able to show it right in here, and we can check it right from here. So let's go back to the Android Studio, and right in here, right in the Firebase, the data has been uploaded successfully, and you guys can see that. So let's go back. Right from here, we will close that, and also close that persistent dot. Now we are back right in the upload job dot. Now we will simply do the last thing, just to dispose these controllers. So right down in here, now right in here we will have that dispose. So write void, and then let us go the dispose. Take this down and write it there. We'll say super dot dispose. Okay, semicolon at the end. Now we will just simply first in here underscore job category control, where you go with the segregation. We will first dispose that, and right after let's dispose the job title, dispose, and right after let's also dispose the description one. There we go, dot dispose, and right after the last one we will do for the deadline. Dispose it right in here. As I tell about the dispose before, whenever it's gone, so this object is removed from the tree permanently. Okay, that's fine. And also write to this, add the override. Before it didn't show the segregation, so just write the override in here. All fine. So we have successfully implemented the upload job dot screen, and we test it successfully, and also we check it with the Firebase. So basically that's it for this video. Right from the next video we will work further. So see ya.